Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cookie token. Name of the token is Cookie, ticker symbol is also Cookie, and this token is getting a bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow, June 13th. We're going to go over the information on the Cookie token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Cookie token is getting a couple brand new central exchange listings. So one of them is on Gate or Gate.io, which is their webpage, and that is June 13th at 10 a.m. UTC time. Also on Bybit, so they had an IDO prior to this, and yeah, 10 a.m. UTC time, June 13th on Bybit as well. So you can either download Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Bybit or Gate, and then search Cookie when it gets listed, and then simply buy the token. Or maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, or maybe Bybit or Gate or whatever exchanges it gets listed on are not available in your country. You can get this token eventually also off of PancakeSwap as well. Now on their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at COOKIE3_COM. It says the countdown is on, 2 days to go. This is an older tweet, but it says the Cookie DAO TGE, wondering how you can get your hands on Cookie. Check out our Gitbook guide and Telegram bot to make purchases easy. So this is available on their Twitter there, or you can just go to basically cookie-community.gitbook.io, and they have a how to buy, and so basically it says for the BNB chain, you set up a wallet, fund your wallet. So you use first of all, I mean, they're a little vague, but basically you can get this token off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and it says or Uniswap as well, and then trade your BSC for the Cookie token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is linked on the Twitter right there, COOKIE3.com. Now their Twitter has 462,000 Twitter followers, 2,535 tweets, gold verified checkmark, very well established project. And it says their investors are Animoca Brands and the Spartan Group, which are huge crypto businesses. And not only that, on their document section, I just noticed it says they'll also be listed on Mexc on the same date and time as well. And so I do have an Mexc global referral code down there. So maybe Gate or Bybit is not available in your country, but you could use Mexc global. All you'd have to do is go right through that Mexc global referral code in the description box, and then do the same steps. USDT, go into the trade section, search Cookie, etc. So it says we launched in 2023 as the partner of the COOKIE3 ecosystem. Think of us as the engine driving COOKIE3. We leverage the power of blockchain to ensure transparency, user control, and a collaborative environment in Web3 marketing. So here's what sets Cookie apart: empowering genuine users. You're not just a data point, you're an active participant. Cookie DAO changes the power dynamics of the distribution of value in marketing and who receives the largest portion of it. Also building a decentralized marketing future. Cookie DAO members actively shape the direction of the COOKIE3 ecosystem. It's your community, your way. Unlocking value and rewards. Your data has value, and with Cookie DAO, you benefit from your online social footprint and can earn rewards for online participation and contributions to the project. It says, ready to join a community shaping the future of marketing. Welcome aboard. Cookie DAO is building something special, and we want you to be a part of it. The Cookie DAO is a collective of marketing FI enthusiasts aiming to bolster decentralization through innovative blockchain solutions. If it created the Cookie token and injected it into the COOKIE3 ecosystem to drive the marketing FI ethos forward through governance and tokenized support. Anyone can become a member of the Cookie DAO. The sole requirement is to believe in marketing FI and want to drive the marketing FI economy forward. Cookie DAO members are encouraged to hold and stake the Cookie token for access to additional rewards and voting rights on matters relating to the Cookie DAO's treasury and future. So that's how you get a part of the get to be part of the governance, is staking the token, and then you're also going to receive rewards for staking. So the Web3 marketing landscape is undergoing a shift spearheaded by the Cookie ecosystem. Our ecosystem isn't just another marketing product, it's a suite of powerful products designed to empower users, creators, and businesses. So they have the COOKIE3 analytics, specifically built for Web3, unparalleled transparency, leverage real on-chain data to understand user interaction with Web3 projects. They also have an affiliate system as well, and they have something coming soon called the COOKIE3 Score, which is a scoring system that acts as like a super badge. So if you've ever been on like Facebook or whatever, and they're like top fan, and they give you a badge, same sort of thing. And and then they have the token and the cookies utilities. They can be used within all three of the products there: the analytics, the affiliates, the scoring, and check it all out. Cookie-community.gitbook.io. Their webpage is right there on the Twitter there. And once you go over to their webpage, you can find other links as well, like full white paper. I think it's like a 19-page white paper, very tiny print, tons of info on there. You could scroll down there forever. And their webpage has a countdown to launch. So you can get it off of, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, it says Gate, Bybit, and Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.